This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to shorten the URL you have. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, and we need something called URL Shortener. So click on this, and then we would take the URL we have. So in this case, if I go to my Twitter and click on my name, and it says twitter.com/QuickTimeTech, copy this Command C, take it to Google URL Shortener, paste the link in here, and now it says shorten URL. So this is the URL at the moment. So if I just take this, copy, and now go to a new tab and now type this in, press enter, and there we go. We are redirected to the same page with a shorter URL. So paste the URL in here, and that is the URL in short format. So close out of Safari, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next how-to tutorial. Thanks for now.